Hi and welcome to Minutes with Momentum. My name is Nesi Chetty and I head up the listed property business at Momentum Investments. Listed property has been one of the fastest growing asset classes within the South African market. It has grown by about 14% the last 5 years and about 12% compounded the last 3 years. Listed property investors have enjoyed steady growth from a combination of good income due to companies paying high distribution and steady capital growth through the cycle. The current market capitalization of the listed property market is close to half a trillion. This was only about 30 billion rands about 15 years ago. Listed property continues to deliver steady income yield for most investors. The listed property team has a very simple and clear investment philosophy. We tend to identify undervalued shares through the property cycle, typically those that trade at a discount to their underlying NAV. The property team invests in companies with high distribution growth that pays steady distribution through the cycle. The Momentum listed property process is a rigid bottom-up process. We look at the underlying economy and forecasting rentals, vacancies and costs. We forecast distributions through the 5-year cycle and have a proprietary ranking table which we use on a risk-adjusted returns basis. The one thing we do not do is sacrifice quality of properties at the expense of valuations. The property market is currently experiencing quite exciting times. In the retail market, we're seeing a development boom, with more shopping centers being built the last 5 years than the last decade. Within the office market, we're seeing super office nodes being formed in Waterfall, Rosebank and Centurion. And within the industrial side, we're seeing very good logistics take up. The one interesting addition to the property market has been the massive flow of capital from South Africa to destinations such as Poland, Romania, and now interestingly Spain and Portugal. This has added a higher level of growth to distributions going forward. Property investors can invest into the Momentum SA Real Growth Property Fund, which is our flagship fund. It is a conservatively managed fund, it is diversified and also managed to a very low tracking error. What differentiates Momentum Property from its competitors is it is a smaller property manager, it manages its assets to low tracking error, and it has an experienced team. Core to our due diligence is ensuring that we kick the tires and we see all our assets that are invested into the fund.